We create the future. Agrodronehub is the AI-powered solution that revolutionizes agriculture industry. Hi everyone, I'm thrilled to introduce you to Agrodronehub, an innovative project at the forefront of agricultural technology. Our primary aim is clear: to bring a groundbreaking product to the market, one that redefines how we perceive aviation technology in agriculture. Our flagship product, Agrodronehub, is a testament to our commitment to the development of the agricultural industry and the process of meeting society's consumption needs. It is not only a tool for fieldwork. This is a comprehensive, advanced solution that provides farmers with functionalities that meet all their expectations and make work not only more effective but also significantly increase profitability. At its core, Agrodronehub empowers farmers by offering autonomy in decision-making and actions. Its uniqueness stems from providing a suite of features that lack competitive parallels. Let's delve into the functionalities that make Agrodronehub a game-changer. Our knowledge and professional experience give us the satisfaction of creating a solution that goes beyond today's standards. We fully believe that the project we are implementing, based on the principle of complete autonomy in fieldwork, supported by the AI module, will set the trends in agriculture industry on the future.